It means the world to me to have a institution that I started my career in recognize me for my contributions.
I think this recognition means that the work that we're doing as part of Compost Foundation and me as a representative of Compost Foundation is being seen and recognized, and that it's impactful to not only us and our legacy, but to the community as a whole.
This recognition from the college really feels like a moment for my company to be recognized, which really was born out of CU. I started it right after graduation. At the very beginning, we're just a capstone project with a bunch of seniors working on our company. And now, gosh, 8-9 years later, dozens of folks, global presence, and a real business. So to me, this recognition really kind of feels like reflecting on the very earliest days and those first kind of sparks that encouraged us to get started.
Recognition from CU means so much to me. There's no way that I could have ever done the things that I've done in my career if it wasn't for the tremendous professors and technical engineering expertise that I learned here at CU.
The fact that I never thought that I could be a CU Boulder student or graduate, and the opportunity to come back in and become a buff and then be able to graduate with a master's degree in aerospace engineering really changed my life and my confidence. And so now to be able to give back is why I'm here.
It's felt really rewarding to remain engaged since I graduated in 2016, because I felt like my time at CU had a lot of moments outside of just the academic classes, like these little interactions that ended up really kind of being like a springboard of like, hey, you should go explore that. And I had so many great nudges in that sense, and I really have enjoyed being able to help other students think through the same decisions and think about, where it is that they want to go from here.
The type of impact I want to make is to have more people, more alumni come back and be part of CU through donation or donating time, but for them to have that same experience of giving back that expertise. Having those relatable stories, I think it helps the students see themselves move forward a little bit easier. There's that fear factor of the unknown, but when alumni come back and tell their stories, the students can actually picture themselves doing the same thing. And I think all the alumni feel the same way. We come back and say, we didn't have any of the answers. We weren't the top of the class in every element. So being relatable helps the students see themselves in the future.
We support the College of Engineering not only because we are alumni of CU Boulder. My brother is a graduate of the College of Engineering and me from the College of Journalism, but because we feel really as if our vision and our mission is accepted as part of the culture in Boulder and in the College of Engineering, and that what we think is important is reflected in the work that they do, and that our mission is carried forward through them.
Engaging with the faculty, the students, the professors, Dean Molinar has been inspirational to me. Gave me new life in my career and reminded me why I was an engineer.
The impact that I'm hoping to make in my engagement with CU Boulder is to bring people in to understand that leadership is truly something that comes from the heart, and that's what the program teaches, and that we can pay it forward by teaching leaders to go out there and really lead people. And that's the impact I want to leave on all the students.
Just being connected to the College of Engineering, I've learned more about the latest technology, what's being taught at CU, everything from AI to quantum. So it's been beneficial for my business, but it's been beneficial in terms of my continued learning as well.
In so many ways, my company really came out of the CU Engineering School, and on top of that comes like the lifelong friendships and teammates that you have as part of that.
We as engineers are kind of like buffaloes, right? We roam together, and when we roam together, we move farther.